wiki.easyvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best telephoto smartphone lenses. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Not only will you receive a quality telephoto lens as part of the ideal lens kit, you'll also add a clip-on macro, fisheye and kaleidoscope lens to your arsenal of gear. Plus you'll get a compact, well-organized carrying case to store all of the pieces in. It comes with a photography ebook too, and is designed to minimize glare. However, it is tough to keep the lenses in place. At number 9, as long as you're standing the proper distance from your target, the Vorido Black will capture images with impressive clarity. If you're trying to create a lasting memory with a large group of people, the included wide-angle lens will come in handy too. It also comes with a remote shutter and a cleaning cloth, but it's not suitable for phones with cases on. Coming in at number 8 on our list. The sturdy tripod that comes with the eweima bundle is a useful accessory, particularly if you have a passion for outdoor photography where wind could affect stability. Any of the 4 lenses in this set will clip quickly and securely onto your mobile device. It's equipped with a smooth manual focus ring and fits easily into a pocket. However, it's not compatible with all phones. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.easyvid.com. Go there now and search for telephoto smartphone lenses, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Carson Hookups offers a field of view of 630 feet at up to 1,000 yards away, making it a nice gift for a birdwatcher or backpacker who spends time around beautiful scenery. As long as you line your shot up correctly, you should achieve a clear, sharp image. The included tripod has extendable legs and is backed by a limited lifetime warranty, but it's not ideal for capturing video. Moving up our list to number 6. Compatible with the vast majority of mobile phone brands, the Bateau Store Ultimate is crafted with high-quality glass that minimizes the risk of reflections and ghosting interfering with your work. It even comes with a convenient Bluetooth-operated remote shutter. All the lenses are labeled and a padded clip prevents scratching. It includes an attachable selfie light. Halfway up our list at number 5. The clamp that secures the Vica Optical to your mobile device provides reliable stability, with a handy rotating dial to quickly adjust its tightness. Its color reproduction capabilities are nothing to scoff at, so don't be afraid to go after some bright, vibrant shots. There are 3 color options, and it features a powerful 18 times magnification. It comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. At number 4, it doesn't take long to get started with the apexel cell zoom. Simply center it over your phone's camera and tighten the clip screws for stability, and you'll be ready to zoom in, zoom out, and snap pictures to your heart's content. It boasts a tripod that doubles as a selfie stick, a wireless shutter that has a 30-foot range, and thick and durable lens caps. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, consisting of multiple useful lenses, the aikeglobal 7-in-1 offers remarkable magnification power for such a compact portable set. The clasp is made from soft rubber, which eliminates any worries about damaging your phone. The set is lightweight for easy portability and is a hard-wearing aluminum construction. The lenses are easy to wipe clean with a cloth. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.easyvid.com. Go there now and search for telephoto smartphone lenses, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, whether you're focused on action shots, sweeping landscapes, or intense close-ups, the Vennen Camera provides you with the tools you need to capture images with consistent clarity and minimal distortion. It comes with a helpful instruction booklet too. It includes a 180-degree fisheye lens and is compatible with most phones. Switching out the lens is quick and easy. And taking the top spot on our list, 2 clips designed for attaching the jopree 4-in-1 to either the front or rear of your phone make it one of the more versatile options available. You'll be able to achieve incredibly crisp detail in close-up photos thanks to its impressive magnification capabilities. It comes with a carrying bag and an anti-glare coating. It suffers from little to no distortion in its images. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.easyvid.com. Go there now and search for telephoto smartphone lenses, or simply click beneath this video.